All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 10th of September, 2024. We're going to talk about the graph today, and let's try to find out if this is the perfect graph entry point, and maybe we could get a 25% rally out of it. All right, so what do you guys think about that? Should we talk about it? All right, cool, no problem. We'll go through what we think the market and the graph is about to do. Then I'll let you all go. Like, I don't want to waste your time. I just want to simply show you the price action off the price charts, some of the things that we can expect, and if the market is trending more bullish or bearish in one direction, then that's the way that we're going to look for the prediction to go. All right, so keep it locked. Give me a couple of seconds. Well, not seconds. Give me a couple of minutes, and we'll break this down. So if you guys appreciate my videos and content, as always, make sure you follow me. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share the content, and also make sure you like it, because this is very unique, the things that we're doing here on this particular channel. So real quick, the last time I did a video or price prediction in the graph was right here on December the 15th. So yeah, it's been a while, almost about a year. And you guys can see that our expectation was for higher prices. From initially out the gate, the market in the graph did go lower, and it hit our support area on December the 18th. Now I know some of you may say, well, you didn't get it right then. The market, if you got stopped out right here on December the 18th, that's not necessarily the case, because I don't use physical stop losses or those particular things off the market, because people can see those. I use mental areas to see whether or not the play is not working out, or maybe we can live on to let the play go forward. All right, so once the conclusion of this day occurred on December 18th, look at where the price closed. It closed at the very high of the bar, which simply means buyers came in. They came through on December 18th, began buying the graph. That's the only way it can close up there at the high of the bar, the only way. So after this particular day, look what happened to the market. So you would have got stopped out if you would have had a physical stop in the market there. If you had an entry order to get out your position on December 18th, when the whole time you was correct in your analysis, you were accurate, you were right. So that's why I really only tell you, you need to be the only one that knows your stop losses. Don't have it just sitting on the market makers' books, because they can see that and they could try to target those particular areas. Now, let's go ahead and get rid of that, because on January the 1st, that's when the market ran in the graph our ultimate TP price, which is around 24% there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and clean this up, because we are definitely not seeing the market in the graph hitting these sell zones. The market went on a fantastic run to start out in the beginning of the year. Great. But now we're here today. Okay. The market topped out all the way up here on March the 10th with a high of 49 cents, almost 50 cents. 50 cents. So from the high of this particular day, March the 10th, to where the price is now, the market is down 71%. Yeah, way to go to the people who told you to continue to buy the dip. Now, let's talk about this market here. First thing we're going to do is create this buy zone. Now, I want to look at this on an hourly chart, because we can make this a little bit tighter. This particular buy zone. Matter of fact, I kind of like it where it is now, so we'll keep that there. And we're going to go ahead and create a couple of sell zones. Now, this is a big sell zone right around here in the graph. Let's go ahead and create another one up here. There's another one here right now, and you guys can see that the market did get hit. The market did hit that particular sell zone yesterday, so hopefully those buyers will be able to take out the sellers there, and we might could target another move right here as a sell zone. So now let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, so what do you guys think? Could we get a 25% run into the market in the graph right now? What do you guys think? 25%. We can see the market in the graph run all the way up here to 18 cents. That's 25%. which equates to the high that occurred on this 2-day bar. Okay, could we target that particular area? It's very good that we are noticing buyers in the graph holding this buy zone like they did it on this last move down to begin the month of August. They held this particular spot, price ran up, we came right back down to that zone, and look again. Take a look. What happened? Yes, those buyers are still there. It's a good signal. Here it is on the 3. Okay. This is the area that we're noticing the buyers holding range. They're not relinquishing. They're not letting this area go. Wherever the cause, wherever the purpose, we don't have no concern for that. We can just visually see someone is not letting price fall below this area. As long as they continue to do that, our expectation would have to be, hey, the market's becoming more and more bullish. Okay. Here's the graph on the 5. I really would like to see how this prints in the next day and 14 hours. If we see the market in the graph on this 5-day bar close to the high, then yeah, we may see that 25% run to 18 cents. Maybe. Here it is on the weekly chart. You can see off this weekly bar right here that buyers came in and propped up the price. Because the prior week, look at how long that bar is versus this one. You see that? And then you take a look at the volume. They're about the same. But we didn't get that same price movement though off of this bar. So something stopped price. Something did. And the only thing that can stop price from going down is people trying to buy this cryptocurrency. That's the only way. Here it is on the 2. Now on the 2-weekly chart, I'm not that bullish because of that 2-weekly bar there. Even here on the 3, I'm not that bullish. 5-weekly chart, I'm not that bullish. Okay. So we could simply target a small move to the upside in the graph. Okay, so this will be the area right here. Okay, this will be our first target in the market in the graph. That's where we're going to look for price to go. If it goes there, great. If it exceeds this particular price level, then the second target for us would be, like I said, all the way up here. I'm debating on if I want to do it another target here around 16.5 cents. Yeah, let's do that. Let's let that be our second target. Okay. So our first target is this first sell zone here. Okay. Second target is going to be at the high that occurred on August the 27th. And then our third target is going to be up here at this second sell zone. All right, so we'll do it like that. So we said the high of this particular bar would be our second target. So let me make that so we can see. All right, let's say I'm done. Like I said, just a couple of minutes trying to break down the current environment for the graph. And right now it looks pretty bullish, but we have to be cognizant of how bullish we need to be. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profit. And as always, trade different.